Hi there, it's Ja here. So you just got the new iPad, just like me. So I think the very first thing that we need to do is we need to figure out how to turn it on. So there is a button at the top of the iPad, and the top is located near the lens. On the side, there's also two buttons. So to turn it on, we just need to press the top button and the top side button together until the Apple icon is showing. Yep, and that means your iPad is going to be ready for you soon. So once it's come out, you need to, at the very bottom, you will see the line here. All you need to do is use your finger to slide it up. Yep, and if you have the passcode, you put your passcode in, whatever the number that you set, and you can go on to any application that you have. So it will be very similar to iPhone, just a little bit bigger and easier to use. Sometime while you're working or you leave it for a while, it may go into the safe mode. So if it's going to the safe mode, all you need to do is just press the top button again, and then just slide the bottom, and put in your passcode to bring it back. And you can work on it until you don't need it anymore for the day, and you can switch it off by pressing the top button and the top side button again. Yep, and follow the prompt to slide to power off, and that's it. Now you learn how to turn on and turn off the iPad, which is a very basic skill for us to start using the iPad. Yep. Thank you.